Mga boss, alam naman natin na maugong pa ang balita yung tensyon between China at ang Pilipinas. Kaya naman nag-announce recently na magkakaroon ng worldwide Filipino protest laban sa China bullying. At yan ang ikukwento sa atin ni Mike Cohen sa Connections.
The government has its hands full fighting off a People's Republic of China lobby and propaganda machine as it is dealing with a major power in confronting Chinese attempts to take Philippine territory in the West Philippine Sea. China has also done this same thing to Vietnam, Japan, Korea, and most of the territories in Asia that they feel at one time were theirs.
The West Philippine Sea Coalition has four messages. We protest China's belligerence and its blatant disregard of international law in the West Philippine Sea. We ask China to be a good neighbor, avoid unilateral action on disputed waters, and to stop its provocations.
The goal of former DILG Secretary Rafael Alunan III is simple: to expose the People's Republic of China's claims as false and show the actions for what it is, a theft of territory.
We would like to ask everyone, the entire nation, to speak with one voice in protest, to stand up, and we express full support for the speeding up of the modernization and upgrading of our defense capability in order to make it a credible.
The Coalition for the West Philippine Sea is growing not only here in the country but across the globe. It is getting support and working in solidarity with government goals. Rogelio Santos of the PhilAm U.S. Pinoys for Good Government says Pinoys from all over the world, along with citizens from ASEAN, will support their protest.
One of the interesting things happening is in the UN rally in New York, several Vietnamese groups have actually joined forces with us.
People power will now mobilize and show the world the reality of China's bullying, both in the real world on the streets and in the virtual world on social media. The protest, according to the Department of Foreign Affairs, will not affect Philippine government negotiations over the situation and put in international pressure
We can also continue
to press China to stop bullying smaller nations.
Digital rally. You know, many of us in the coalition have already adopted this logo. Instead of our profile photo showing our faces, we have replaced this with the logo of the West Philippine Sea Coalition.
For Good Morning Boss, Mike Cohen for PTV News.